How to activate international market in Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can activate international market in Shopify. Well, to activate an international market in Shopify, what you want to do is you want to head into Shopify Admin panel and log in to your account. So you can say I'm on admin.shopify.com. There you want to log into your admin account. Now once you're logged in here, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and you want to head into the settings. Now in my case here, I have to select the plan. My free trial has expired, but you want to head over to settings. Under settings, you want to navigate to markets, right? So under markets in your Shopify admin, then you want to click add market option. Once you have done so, enter a name for the market. Select the countries you want to include and save it. You'll also need to update your shipping rates and ensure payment options are set up for the new market as well. So this is how you can easily activate international market in Shopify. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.